Wow, I love this program. This night is all about having fun. Chris, baby girl, go and have fun. You baby, you baby, you baby. Yeah.
You see? You're even happy about it.
Shouldn't I be happy? Should I be crying? Am I the one that make the rules?
You are not, but it's okay. We shall see.
See what? Haven't you enjoyed yourself? Collins, please let me be.
By the way, why are you putting on this sexy dress? Don't you have any other thing to wear? Maybe a jeans and polo.
Really? Jeans and polo. This is my nightwear. And I'm going to sleep.
So you're telling me you're comfortable with this? I told you I won't be jealous. It's okay.
It is none of your business.
Picking on me will not save you at all. I've made up my mind. Let me see if Ben will love you the way I do.
Baby, I don't know what you're talking about. I swear.
You think you're the only one who knows people? Huh? Agu was my classmate in the university.
What?
Don't worry.
My love, did he tell you anything else?
Don't worry. By tomorrow, when I will expose you and Ben, and by the time he will lose his job, let me see how he's going to take care of you.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Leave me alone.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You're sorry. So because I love you, that's why you're behaving anyhow, treating me anyhow.
Baby, I genuinely love you too. I know sometimes I can be really stubborn, but I do love you. I do. I have come to realize that I do not love Ben anymore. I have learned something in this program.
Are you really the one saying this?
Don't leave me.
Wow, this is interesting. Anyway, I'm going to think about it.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm talking to you and you're still pressing your phone. Listen, if anything should happen between you guys, I won't be happy with you and you won't like the other side of me.
What is wrong with you? Huh? Am I the one that gave myself that punishment?
You can't pay. There was an option for you to pay or you serve the punishment, so you can't pay. You have the money.
Pay for what? Well, I don't have money to pay. I must do what they asked me to do. Listen, you have to leave. My partner will soon be here.
I'm no longer comfortable with the whole thing, the whole setting, everything. First thing tomorrow, I'm leaving this hotel. I'm not more comfortable with what the hell is that? Who is that?
Oh. Honey, welcome.
Thank you. Madam, you still here?
And what is the meaning of that?
Hey, Joy. Are you mad? No, tell me. Is anything wrong with you? What am I still doing here? Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. This is just 8 p.m. And you're here flaunting yourself so cheaply.
Oh, madam, don't you dare insult me.
And what will happen if I do?
Are you okay? What's the meaning of this? I don't make the rules. Who am I to break them? Please leave, I want to sleep.
Can you imagine this idiot? Can you imagine her? Who do you think you are?
Just
Go.
I want to sleep as well.
Craig, is it you?
See, tomorrow.
Craig, are you serious?
I want to sleep.
Oh, baby.
What is your problem? Why are you snoring like this?
Am I snoring? I'm snoring.
Can't even allow me to sleep.
It's a tobum. So that you palegum.
Is this what your wife is passing through?
Don't blame my wife in this.
Oh, please. Let me go back to my room. Great about coming here.
Grace, don't run away. Don't run away. I will not snore. I'm not snore. But my wife will not complain when you come home. This one is English.
No perfect man, no perfect move. In marriage, you should know this. No perfect man, no perfect move. In marriage, no perfect person in marriage. No perfect man, no perfect.
That's so funny. Yes.
Wow. You are such a lovely woman. As a matter of fact, you are the kind of woman I wish to spend the rest of my life with.
You know what? You are my spec.
Really?
Yes, 100. You know, I like men like you. Men that know how to hustle. Men that know how to make money. Not that thing I'm with. But, you know, I would like us to have a time together if you don't mind.
You mean after here?
Yes.
Of course, definitely.
Oh, wow, great.
You.
Oh my God, I love you. Come here. Oh my God. You're so... Oh, what is it?
Did you fart?
No, I did not. Come on. You just farted. You're trying to make me...
Stop that.
Nothing is smelling. What is it? Talk to me now. What is it?
Let's sleep.
But we're supposed to play now.
We have played already. We have played.
Just like that.
Just like let's sleep.
You want to sleep? Won't you at least hold me, cuddle me?
Please. We are married. Okay? Don't forget that. I want to sleep. This woman has body odor. And the worst part is that I have to inhale it with my big nose. This smell went straight into my head. My wife is the best.
Chooks, what is going on? And he promised to come to my room this night, but just look at the time. Did he change his mind? Chika. This game is getting them more closer. It's making them stronger and stronger. What is all this? Even knows I would die if this guy walks out of this place without me. I can't stand it. Jukes, please, I need you calm. Please change your mind.
What is holding Chika now? This girl should calm down. What is going on? I think this program has really affected her, that she's no longer the Chika that I used to know. I really love this girl. I really love her. I just pray that she still understands me. What is going on? Is it because of Chooks? I love this girl. I want to continue with her. But Gloria is at home. How will she feel if she finds out I have a lady at home? What am I going to do? I don't know. I want to continue with Chika.
Here is your tag. I am leaving. I am no longer interested in this whole program. It's fake.
Excuse me, madam. How do you mean by it's fake?
Of course. It's fake. Okay. Now tell me, what kind of program would allow two married couple to sleep on the same bed, the same room, leaving their partners to die in cold?
Honey.
Tell me. Oh, please. Please.
Mr. Ben, can you please talk to my wife and tell her that I didn't do anything with that woman last night? Please.
Liar.
You have to believe me.
Liar. Big liar. She didn't do anything.
You have to believe me.
Liar. Liar.
Mr. Ben, I can say same for myself. I can no longer tolerate the insults and derogatory words this woman used against me. As for this marriage, it is over.
No, wait, sir. Excuse me, sir. Just please, sir.
Hold on. Go back.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ben, please, can you help me and talk to him? I did nothing with him. I did nothing with Mr. Pat. You can ask him. I did nothing.
So then, did I tell you? Did I warn you about all
Help
this?
me, I call others.
Leave me alone.
Call others for me. Don't worry.
Liar says everywhere. Didn't do anything.
Hey, I would want you to know that those that slept together with different partners yesterday, they did nothing.
You can't be too sure. You can't be too sure about
They did
that.
nothing bad.
That's not true. That is not true. You see this woman? I do not trust her.
Like I said, it's a game. And every game have process and procedures. We monitored them. Can you all remember what I told you one after the other last time about this game? Can you remember?
Mr. Ben, I do not understand what you mean by I will help you to help me. It's confusing.
I know. I'll make it clear to you. That's the reason I called you. Well, I want you to help us. Help us by loving your partner so well that your husband will become jealous. Want your husband to become jealous of that action. The jealousy will make him come back to you in full and love you well.
Okay, I think you're right.
You've seen it all. That was all I told you.
Oh. No wonder.
Okay, sir. They are all coming.
No problem. Let's continue. So tell me, how was your experience with him last night?
Mr. Ben, last night, I don't know how to say it. He was just snoring like a pig. I couldn't sleep. Honestly, I couldn't sleep. No, I used the pillow in order to cover his nose. It's not as if I wanted to kill him.
So in other words,
I regretted ever going there.
are you trying to tell me that if we decide with your husband that you should marry him for 1 year, you will not do that?
Please, Mr. Ben, no. There's no way. I can't. I love my husband.
You love your husband? Oh, really?
Mr. Collins
You
is
love your
better.
husband?
Mr. Collins is always better. I told
That's
you.
nice. Mr. Greg, what about you? How was your experience?
Mr. Ben, I couldn't sleep last night. The smell was so horrible. My God.
Wow, I see. So, your wife...
I still love my wife.
You still love your wife? That's interesting. That's nice. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we've wanted to achieve with this program.
Exactly.
You know, one thing about life is that you always think that your own is not better. The quality of every man's life is conditioned by the quality of your thinking.
Exactly.
Positive thinking attracts positive reactions.
Exactly.
So when you have your own, you will think, oh, I think that one I'm seeing outside is better. Without knowing that no one is perfect.
Exactly.
The essence of this program is to let you know that no marriage is perfect. No man is perfect. We are all work in progress.
Thank you.
You've seen it, right? I know that with what has happened, none of you would want to marry your partner because you have seen your partner and you now know that your husband or your wife is better. And to correct what you just said, this is a recording chip. Oh yes. All of you, you have it.
No. You can't be serious.
I am serious. We use this to monitor your actions and monitor your voice.
Everything.
We have our boys in the control room. They see what you do. They record what you do. If you like, I can play it for you to hear. Do you want me to play it for you?
I won't be need for that.
No, I can prove you to show you that, yes, we are monitoring you. Did you see that? So whatever that happened last night, none of them did something bad because we were monitoring them.
Not at all.
I want you to take home that no marriage is perfect. The secret to every successful marriage is love, number 1. Number 2, tolerance. Number 3, sacrifice and determination. You have to determine that your marriage will work because we are work in progress. So your choice is what determines the output.
Right.
If you choose to make it right, it will work.
Right.
So you have to decide with your partner, my marriage will work. Did you hear what I said? My marriage will work. And you work towards making it right. Don't just see others and you feel like, okay, they are doing better. No. We are all covering up. We are all pretending. We are all showing you what you want to see. If you come inside of it just like what you just saw, you find out that you cannot even live with that person.
Exactly.
Oh yes. So I implore all of you, at the end of this program, I want you to live perfect with your partner.
That's right.
Tolerate him, tolerate her. We are all work in progress. Just see him or her that, oh, there is part of me that I need to help him. There is part of me that I need to help her. That's the major reason you guys come together. It's called union. For you to help each other, build each other to get to your destination.
Exactly.
I love you all and I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Nice. Nice. Alright. Take it easy. Hold on. Yeah. My baby girl for life.
Stop.
And why is that? Huh? Don't tell me you are in love with that man, right?
Why not? Ben, that man is my husband. He married me.
I know. But it have a thing to do with rules, and you know about it.
No, I don't think so. Ben, I need you to understand something. That not all relationship will end in marriage. Yes, I did love you. I missed you a lot, but not anymore.
Oh, really? It's okay. If that is what you want, then I'm comfortable. I'm okay with it. But can you at least give me a goodbye before you go?
Ben, get a grip of yourself. What is wrong with you? Whatever we did, I regretted it. And it's never going to happen again. I only came here to have this talk with you. I have to go.
I know after this one it will not happen again.
Ben!
Hey. Oh, babe, come. Shit.
Hold on. Just hold it, okay? Do not be faster than your shadow, okay? Yeah. I have come to tell you that I've forgiven you, okay? I've forgiven you from my heart. Yes, let all that has happened be in the past, okay? Yes, and the house I built for you, the house I built for you, you can go ahead and have it. Let it just go for love, yeah.
You're not leaving, are you? Because if you leave me, I would die. Please don't go.
No. You're not going to die because you've been living your life before now. Yes. Okay, let's say if the agent did not fail with your visa, by now you would have been in America enjoying your life, living your life as well. Okay? Let's just not go there because I don't just want to get angry. You have your life to live. So
Well, that's fine. If that's what you want, that's fine. I can't go against your decision. That's fine. But can I just have you one more time?
no, come on. You don't have to think about that. That would be a big mistake, okay? You don't just have to think about it. I mean, I really appreciate you guys for organizing this retreat. It has really helped me a lot. Yes, it has helped my wife and I. We are really back together. We love each other now. I love my wife. And she's enjoying me now. We are enjoying ourselves. Okay? The retreat has really opened my eyes, and It's a good thing a lot of families should learn from this. Okay. Anyway, we are friends now. Good friends. You have my contact. You can call me whenever you think there's an issue or anything you need. Feel free. Do not hesitate to call me. Okay? Be a good girl. Be a good girl. You take care.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming. You all are looking so bright, so beautiful today. Thank you for looking good. Please, a round of applause to you all. Yes. Thank you for coming. Mr. Pat, you wanted to say something?
Can I go and use myself?
Mr. Pat, no. Not now, please.
Female mosquito modulator. If you do not want me to go and use myself, I will use it here.
Please allow him to go and urinate.
As I allow me to go and urinate.
Okay, I'm sorry I will not stop your husband. But I must tell you that I like the tune at which you requested that. This is interesting. It really shows that we are working. It really shows that all our efforts do not go in vain.
It's working.
This is nice. Because before now, I know you would have used harsh words. Allow my husband to go and do that. Well, nice. Well, I want to let you all know that I will allow you. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will go. Listen to this. It's very important. I want you to know that statistics have shown that big animals, so many big animals has recorded just a few thousand deaths in a year. But the tiniest of them all, the smallest of them all, which is the mosquito, has recorded over 2.5 million deaths in a year.
That's right.
What does that mean? It simply translates that the smallest of them, the tiniest of them, can be the most powerful.
That's right.
The smallest of the things you neglect in your marriage can be the most powerful thing that will ruin your marriage. So we need to sit up in our marriages. We need to walk. We need to coexist with another. Don't neglect these little things. Going by the record of the questions that we've asked you, you have seen it. So many of you do not even know the simplest thing in your marriage, which is your wife's favorite color. You don't know it. You do not even know your wife's birthday. So many of you don't know it. You need to sit up in your marriages. That's the essence of this program. Right. And I'm happy that you all have learned a lot. You need to sit up. Giving your wife money is good. But you need to know that the manner, the tune at which you give is what matters. It's not the amount. If you want to give your wife money, you have to give it with less ego as a man. You don't give it out like others. Oh, come and take, come and do. You say, babe, come, take this. You requested for money, right? I've infected so amount of money in your account. Use it. Know that I love you. Every day profess love to your wife. No. Women do the same, because even the Bible said the men should love their wives. Wives, respect the man. Respect is very important. The truth is this. Men, what they want in marriage is just respect. If you can respect your man, I am telling you, I am sure you have everything. All men want you to respect them.
That's it.
If they give you little, don't just shout. Take the little, accept the little, appreciate it. Then you in tune, he can come when he's up. Then in bed, you can tell him, baby, now small amount you give me, I want you to step it up tomorrow, all this. He will do it.
More.
Just respect him, okay? And I know that you all will do that going forward in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you.
Nyegego,
No. She has learnt a lot, and I'm sure she's a changed person now. So she will continually respect you, and your marriage will work.
Yes.
That is the most important thing.
Mr. Ben.
Yeah.
Miss Rose, I want to say thank you so very much. Like, I am so grateful. I have really learned a lot in this program.
Super nice.
May the good Lord continue to bless you.
Amen. Thank you so much. And we are here. We are open for you to learn more. If you have issues tomorrow, which I don't pray for, anything you're fighting with, just call us. We are not perfect as well. So when you're calling, you know that you're calling just a human that will assist you. What we do is that from the wealth of knowledge that we have encountered through our experiences, I will tell you one or two to do. But don't think that I am perfect. No, I am not perfect. I want your marriage to work. And the only person that will make your marriage work is you. So you have to make your marriage work by doing what? By yes. Agree. When you agree, it will work.
It will work.
Okay? And I want to talk about dressing. Can you see how outstandingly beautiful you're all looking? Can you see you? You're so gorgeous.
I love you.
Beautiful.
This is nice. This is nice. But I want you to continue, please. Let it continue. Okay? Not when you get home now, you start tying wrapper. No, we don't need it. Look sexy.
Yes.
Even as a Christian, you have to dress well.
Yes.
You have to look well. You have to look presentable. Don't just lose yourself because you feel like, okay, my church do not permit this. My church. No. There's no way in the Bible that said you should dress less for your husband.
That's right.
Dress to entice your husband. Dress to make your husband feel you and like you every day.
That's it.
That is what that matters. Yeah.
Thank you very much, but female modulator, did you tell my wife to stop walking like Ayaka?
And I wish you all the very best. I know your marriages will work.
Because of what I've learned here, I want to, on behalf of my wife and I, I'm giving you a rose, 500,000.
Oh. Have you seen it? That this boy wants you to challenge it? I will give you people 1,000 or 1.5 million.
We are not doing bazaar. I thank you all for coming. We have come to the end of the program today. I love you all. I love you all. I want you to. We'll have a toast for this.
Yes.
I made arrangement for what to eat. I made arrangement for a few toasts just to say thank you for coming, and as well to let you know that we are as well to let you know we are expecting the best from you.
Yes.
Because we will do a follow-up. I'll be following you up. We are expecting the best. Can we stand? We'll have to toast for this. Some food, everything for us. But first of all, let's embrace. Thanks for coming. Thanks for
Everything changes. How could you forget? So soon that man proposes, but God disposes. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. You should know this. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. No perfect person in marriage. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. Wish, you can wish anything from today till tomorrow. Wish, you can wish anything.